Morning students. In previous video I explained Archimedes principle. Now I will explain relative density of the liquid. Relative density of the liquid. Liquid. Relative density of the liquid. Okay, if a body is immersed in a fluid, not in water. If a body is immersed in a fluid, then the body weight equal to W. The body weight equal to W. If your body is immersed in a liquid, not water, okay, other liquid, okay, then the weight of the body in fluid is W3. Okay, W3. Now, relative density of the liquid, RD of the liquid is equal to the weight of the body in air. Weight of the body in 8 minus weight of the liquid. Weight of the liquid by weight of the body in A minus weight of the body in water by weight of the body in A minus weight of the body in water. Weight of the body in water. Listen once again. RD of the liquid, weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in liquid. Another liquid, not water here. Okay. By weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in water. So we know that here weight of the body in air equal to W1. Weight of the body in air equal to W1. Weight of the body in liquid, not water, that is W3 by W1 means weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in water equal to W2. It is the relative density of the liquid. Relative density of the liquid. Okay. Relative density of the liquid. We can write density of the body by density of the liquid equal to W1 by W1 minus W3. From this we can write density of the body by density of the liquid equal to W1 minus W3. Okay, since okay, now it is the density of the liquid equal to W1 minus W3 by W1 minus W2. So RD of the body equal to density of the body equal to W1 by W1 minus W2. It is the relative density of the body. It is the relative density of the liquid. Relative density of the liquid. Or relative density of the liquid. Okay. Since we can write, we can write like this also. Density of the body by density of the water equal to weight of the body in air by weight of the body in water. That is equal to next one, density of the body by density of the liquid equal to W1 by W1 minus W3 from this. Okay, now we can find density of the liquid by density of the water. Equation number 1 by equation number 2. Equation number 1 by equation number 2. So it is equation number 1. For example, take equation number 2. So here 1 divided by 2. That means here density of the body by density of the liquid by density of the body by density of the liquid, that is equal to W1 by 1 minus W2 by W1 by W1 minus W3. That means here density of the body by density of the liquid into density of the liquid by density of the body, that is equal to W1 by W1 minus 2 into W1 minus W1 minus it is 3. Sorry. Okay, W1 minus W3 by W. Listen. Density of the body by density of the liquid equal to W weight of the body divided by mass of it, W1 by W1 minus W2. Okay, at the same time density of the body by density of the liquid equal to weight of the body divided by weight of the body, mass of weight in a liquid, not water. That equal to W1 minus W3. W1 minus W3. From this two we can write density of the body, equation number 1 by 2. So density of the body by density of the liquid water by density of the body by density of the liquid equal to W1 by W1 minus 2 by W1 by W1 minus W3. We can write density of the body by density of the water into density of the liquid by density of the body. These two are get cancelled. So here W1 get cancelled. What is the remaining value here? Density of the liquid by density of the water. So density of the liquid by density of the water equal to W1 minus W3 by W1 minus W2. W1 minus W3 by W1 minus W2. Okay. Now I will express example problems to find the related density of the body and the related density of the liquid. First one, the body weighs 20 grams in A, 12 grams in liquid, not water, and 10 grams in water. Calculate the relative density of the body. Calculate the relative density of the body. RD of the body. Second one, RD of the liquid. And the third one, density of the substance. Density of the substance. Okay, density of the substance. Listen. So here W1 is given. What are the given values? W1 equal to 20 grams. W2 equal to weight of the body in water, that is 10 grams. 10 grams. So W3 is given, that is in liquid, that is 12 grams. Okay, then find RD of the body. RD of the body equal to W1 by W1 minus W2. It is the process of finding the RD of the body. So here RD of the body is equal to W1 by W1 minus W2. So here W1 means that equal to 20 by 20 minus 10, that equal to 20 by 20 minus 10, 10, that equal to 0. 0, 0 it cancel here. RD of the body equal to 2. RD of the body equal to 2. Okay, from this we can find D, density of the substance. So RD of the body equal to density of the substance by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. That equal to density of the substance equal to how much here? We don't know. RD we got 2. Density of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, density of the water equal to how much here? 1 gram per cc in the system. Therefore, density of the substance equal to how much here? 2 gram per cc. 2 gram per cc. 2 gram per cc. Listen once again. The weight of the body in air equal to 20, in liquid equal to 12, and water equal to 10 grams. Then find the relative density of the body, relative density of the liquid, and the density of the substance. So here W1 equal to 20, W2 equal to 10, and W3 equal to 12 grams. So relative density of the body equal to W1 by W1 minus W2. So density of the substance equal to 20 by 20 minus 10. Okay, so your 0 get cancelled 2 by 1. Therefore, RD of the body equal to 2 gram per, sorry, RD for relative density, no units. So RD equal to 2. So from this we can find density of the substance. So RD equal to density of the substance by density of the water at 4 degrees Celsius. So we got 2. RD equal to 2 equal to density of the substance by density of the water at 4 degrees Celsius in CJ system, that is 1 gram per cc. So I'm doing cross product here, that is equal to 2 gram per cc. 2 gram per cc. Now I will explain relative density of the liquid. Relative density of the liquid. Second one, relative density of the liquid. So we know that relative density of the liquid equal to W1 minus W3 by W1 minus W2. It is the formula to find the relative density of the liquid. So here W1 is given, that equal to how much? 20 grams. W3 is given, that equal to 12 grams. Next W2 is given, that equal to 10 grams. Okay, so from this we can write RD equal to RD of the liquid equal to W1 20 minus the relative density of the liquid, that equal to 12 by W1 20 minus 10, that equal to 20 minus 12, 8 by 10, that equal to 0.8. So it is the RD of the liquid. RD of the liquid equal to much? RD of the liquid equal to 0.8. 0.8. Okay. Another model. Second one. second one, a metal sphere of RD equal to 10 equal to 10 okay, weights 10 grams in a, find the weight of the sphere in water, weight of the sphere in water, weight of the sphere in water. So here RD is given. Next, weight of the body in air is given. So here RD equal to 10. Weight of the body in air means W1 equal to 10 grams. Then find the weight of the body in water, that is equal to W2. So we know that RD equal to W1 by W1 minus W2. W1 by W1 minus W2. So here RD equal we got 10. 10 equal to 10 by 10 minus W2. Now I am doing crossword here. 10 into 10 100 minus 10 into W2. 10 W2 equal to 10. Okay. So from this here 100 coming to the side. So minus 10 W2 equal to 10 minus 100. So here minus 10 W2 equal to minus 90. So here minus 9 should cancel, 0 0 cancel. So weight of the body in water equal to W2. Therefore weight of the body in water equal to 9 grams. So that equal to 9. Listen once again. A metal sphere of RD is given and the weight of the body means of the body sphere in A equal to 10 grams. Find the weight of the body sphere in water. So RD is given, W1 is given, our aim is to find the W2. Okay, so RD equal to W1 by W1 minus 2. RD, substituting values, given values, 10 equal to 10 by 10 minus W2. So I am doing cross product here. We can write like this also. 10 into 10 minus W2 equal to 10. That means here 100 minus 10 W2 equal to 10. Okay. Now here 100 coming to the side, minus 100. So minus 10 W equal to minus 90. W equal to 2. W2 equal to 9. W2 equal to 9.